The whole process of building a house was really new to me, and first of all we had to find some land, and I put an offer in on the piece of land that I have, which got accepted, and phoned up Scott. Scott, I bought the land. Now you have to build me a house on it.
Every client is unique and different and comes with different circumstances and needs. And with Mary Ann, we knew that she wanted a rancher. We knew that she wanted 3 bedrooms, and together we designed a nice place for her in a really great location. Finally got a plan together and we got a building permit, and then we were finally able to start building the house for you, which was really exciting. And every time a challenge came up, you and I worked together and we got through it, and it worked out pretty good in the end.
I'd never built a house before from scratch, and it was quite an exciting time for me. The best thing he did was keep me on budget. He was really great, looking after my interests. Every time a challenge came up, Scott was on it, and I'll be internally grateful for that, honestly, because I don't think anybody else would have done what Scott did. He was very genuine and honest, and that's what made me decide to trust him. I almost was in tears because I just felt such a relief and such a feeling of joy and comfort that actually Scott had come through and built me a house. It was a dream come true, really.